Back to this tutorial. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to change currency on Kraken crypto app. So I'm going to open my Kraken. Once you open your app like this, you wait for it to load. I think currently Kraken app is being done, so the network is not really that good, so that might cause this. Slowly we are observing now. So let's wait for it to open. Okay, I think it has opened. So now what you need to do is, once you open the account, you need to come to your account right here. You're going to see currency, click on the currency. Or once you click on the currency here, and you can see it's not loading, so that thing the network is not good. So once you click on it, just choose the currency that you want to change to. You currently it is USD. So once but the network is not good, I think their app is being down now. So once your own is clicked, just click on here and you're going to see the currency that you want to change to. Just choose anyone you want, and once you choose it, it's going to automatically set. So it's very easy. Okay, so guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe. See you in the next video.